Hi, this is Tammy from Tam's Crafts and More, and I want to show you a new item I am putting in my Etsy shop, which is Alice in Wonderland Junk Journal. And I wanted to do a quick walkthrough here with you, so this way you can see. I'll just turn it here so this way it's all in frame, kinda. Quick walkthrough so you can see the stuff that's in it, but the story is intact. And this here flips up, so you got journaling space underneath, and you've got tags, and there is a ton of space in this book. And I hope everything's in view here to where you can see that there's tags over here, and then I've got stuff in here from old books and some stickers that we made. I put on some tags, and then we've got tags over here, and then we've got these kind of tags in this pocket, and like I said, it's just full of stuff. And I am also adding some goodies to go with it that I'm not going to show you. And there's a little pocket we made out of some cards. There's some more. There's a pocket in the front here underneath the postcard, and then there's a pocket behind for you to put stuff in. And then up here we have a paper clip that has, hope you can see that, but little, get it around there. There's your paper clip and a postcard that I have attached to it. There's some little tags down here, and there's a big tag. There's a bunch of tags stuck in there. Then I've got some little papers for you to draw on, or whatever you want to do with them. There's tags in there. There's another paper clip holding a little library card, and it's got a little heart gem on it. And then, oh, that was on the back of that paper clip. But like I said, the story is still intact, and these tags I will be putting some ribbons on before I get it listed here. But, just wanted to show you a quick walkthrough. There's an old bingo card. Here's another. Get that off there. Another paper clip that says "Drink Me," and the back is also have one. So this way, that was on the back of that. Whenever you flip your page, you also have a picture hanging off the back. There's coffee dyed paper. There's some prints that I did. There's some more tags. There's some little tags in that one. There's a postcard and a big tag in there. And then there's stuff stuck up inside here. And then we have some more tags there. And if you hear the noise, my dogs all decided to wrestle right now. Of course, they can't be quiet for 5 minutes. You know, it's like having a house full of toddlers. But we've got all kinds of cards out of old games, coffee filters, and there's a bunch of tags stuck up in there. And then I have a little paper clip, or not a paper clip, a little clothespin, there you go, holding some stuff there. And here is a watch that I put on this page that you can slide stuff up under. And then we got some more tags. And then we have some more tags. But like I said, there is plenty of journaling space in this. And it will be listed in my Etsy shop, which will be listed down below. So come on over and take a look at it. Thanks. Bye.